ladies and gentlemen. Very nice to meet you in online Canton Fair through the video caster. I'm Alex, and this is my colleague Kate.
Hello everyone, it's so nice to meet you.
Today, in this part, Kate and I will bring you to have a general look of our factories. Hope you could enjoy this, and let's look at the video.
Zhongyin Ningbo Battery is located in the east part of Ningbo. It's a Ningbo high-tech enterprise. The factory is very close to the Ningbo port, where around 15 minutes by car. The forage is 147,000 square meters. Here is the world's largest alkaline battery manufacturer base.
The central island. This is our own garden. We have a museum located in the middle of the island, and it's talking about the 66 years history of our company. We also have a coffee bar inside of the museum. Workers could have some coffee or bread in the rest time. We plant the different foods and the vegetables in the island, and also have some ducks, chickens, and goose there.
R&D Center. There is a preventative lab and a post-doctor working station. We have the largest discharge lab in China. Here is also the central area to test the incoming raw materials and the investigating the new technology of battery.
This place is our production department and the logistics department. The core place of the factory. Here is where the 4 billion pieces of battery originally from. We own the 33 most advanced automatic production lines covered all kinds of the household batteries. The batteries will sent to worldwide from this place.
The office building is divided by 2 buildings, west and east. It includes our export office, domestic office, QC department, engineer department,